Welcome. Now in this video I want to show you how you can be able to look up data on a different sheet, and also how you can be able to look up data on a different workbook. So in this case I've got my data here, which is for the sales which took place. I want to find out the commission. So my data which I want to look up is here. This is my data to look up from. So let me just show you how to do this. So you say equals and you say VLOOKUP. Now my lookup value is this one here, comma. Now my table array is this table here on a different sheet. So if I click here, you'll see that on my sheet here it shows me that it has gone to the sheet code table and it puts an exclamation. That's the difference that it may that exclamation is what points out to say this is a sheet. Okay, then now I highlight my data, which is A2 to C6, comma. Now the next thing that I'm doing here is to say I want it to return values from 1, 2, 3. The column must number 3. Okay, in this case it's an approximate match. I don't need to add the next request in the formula. So after that I just press enter. So you'll see that now the data is being returned, which is 700. By default Excel puts in dollars. Okay, so you can change this by pressing control 1, and you can come over here and change it to your local currency as ZMK. There it goes. Okay, so if I come here, I change it to another amount, let's say 5,000. you see that Excel is able to pick up. Alright, that is for looking up values in a different sheet. But now let us look at the value in a different workbook. So in this case we'll just say equals, then say VLOOKUP. Now our lookup value is that, comma. Our table array is in a different sheet, so we go to our different sheet, which is that one. So if we do that, we'll come and highlight the data that we want from this sheet. You see that it has picked it up there. Then the next thing is what is the column number that we are looking at, which is number 3. Then we can close. Okay, so if I press enter, it returns me back to my sheet. Now let us examine the formula here. You see that it is looking up for this here. What you're seeing here, this is our sheet name, so it's C table, which means .xlsi. Okay, so our sheet name is put in the square brackets. Our workbook name is put in the square brackets. Then our sheet, you see that it is sheet 1 and there's just an exclamation in front of it, and you see that the reference point is been absolute reference, which means it's got dollar signs in front of them. So this is how you can be able to look up values from a different sheet and from a different workbook. Alright.